Hey there, welcome to today's video. So, let's talk about a common issue that many of us face when working on our computers. The problem I want to address today is related to setting up a new work laptop running Windows 11. You see, I've just set up my new laptop and I'm trying to run our Angular applications using a specific command that includes the port number. However, when I try to access the application through Firefox, I keep getting an error stating that the site cannot be reached. It's quite frustrating, especially when other browsers like Edge and Chrome seem to have no problem displaying the Angular GUI. Now, let's delve into the solution to this problem. As it turns out, the issue may have stemmed from transferring my Firefox profile from my old laptop to the new one. By creating a new profile on Firefox, the problem was magically solved. It's amazing how sometimes a fresh start can make all the difference. With a new profile in place, Firefox now behaves just like Edge and Chrome, allowing me to access my Angular application without any hiccups. In summary, setting up a new work laptop can come with its fair share of challenges, but with a bit of troubleshooting and a fresh perspective, we can overcome any obstacles that come our way. Remember, if you ever face a similar issue with Firefox or any other software, don't hesitate to try creating a new profile. It might just be the solution you need. Thanks for tuning in today, and don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment down below. Until next time, happy coding!